Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are unboxing the September 2021 Vegancuts subscription or beauty subscription box. But before we get started, I know I had a couple of really beautiful Medusa's makeup eyeshadows to share with you guys that I just did not feel like putting on today. I am wearing very minimal makeup because I just didn't feel like it. I am though wearing the Lovebird Tinted Lip Balm in Smooch, which I don't remember if this was this month's or last month's box, but it is new and I do like it. It's way less punchy than I was expecting, so that's kind of cool. I'm also wearing some new earrings that I recently purchased at a Maryland Makers Market, and these are from Simul Designs. At Simul Designs on Instagram. So there's that. If you're interested, they're really cool, like polymer clay earrings, and I think these are really pretty. So I just wanted to share that to you guys. Now let's go ahead and get into this month's subscription. So here is the card. It looks like this month's box supports Nemo and Friends at Uplands Peak Sanctuary in Freedom, Indiana, which is cool. We're getting 4 products according to the back, so let's go ahead and pull one out. So the first thing we have is from Earth Kiss. It's the Supernatural Kombucha and Turmeric Detoxifying Clay Mask. Now we just got a clay mask from this brand. I need to be better about remembering what boxes things come in, but we just got one from this brand, which is really cool. I did that one and I enjoyed that one. You'll see it in my empties, so I'm happy to have another one to give a try. The turmeric is very interesting. I can't wait to give that a try. So 1 for 1 so far. I'm very excited. Let me read you a little description. This is a $2.99 value. Turmeric and kombucha work in harmony, drawing out toxins from pores while safeguarding against free radical damage that can contribute to acne flare-ups. Apply evenly to clean skin, relax for 10 to 15 minutes, rinse with warm water, and pat dry gently. So I'm really excited about that. I enjoyed the other mask. Now the weirdest thing happened, because I had a little extra in the container for my face. You know, everyone's face is a little different. And I decided I just wasn't going to get dressed. I was going to lounge around in my robe for a little while, so I took it down my neck. Not so unusual, right? So on my face, and I should be telling you this in the empties video, but whatever, I'm already on the tangent. On my face, totally fine. On my neck, chest, totally fine. But just this little, like the gobbler part, like this little under chin area felt so itchy. It was so strange. So strange. But it didn't get red. It didn't get bumps or anything. It just felt tingly, itchy. I don't know. It was really weird. But I did generally enjoy that mask. I thought it was fun. The next product we have is the Bali Balm. It is a lip balm, bergamot and grapefruit. So here is the packaging. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. Now I think I actually have a different, I've gotten this before. I have a different flavor of this in the bathroom. It's lemon. I want to say it's something to do with lemon. And I actually really enjoy that lip gloss. So, or lip balm, because it's not really a gloss. It's more of a balm. But I'm so excited to have another one. So I'm really excited about that. 2 for 2. 2 for 2 with products that I've had other versions of too, which is really kind of interesting. I love when you get different types of different things, especially getting all of these boxes. I get repeats, so it's nice to get different versions of stuff. I'm very excited about that. So let's read about it. The Bali Balm Lip Balm, Bergamot and Grapefruit, or Lemon and Black Pepper. That's the one I have. It's a $33 value, which is insane. That's basically the box. $33 for a lip balm, but it does feel nice. I haven't gotten into using that one as my regular everyday one, so I can't give you a true review of it just yet, but I do generally like it. Anyway, these luxury balms feature exceptionally unique flavors and are formulated with sustainable ingredients. Non-sticky and perfect for daily use under lipstick In cold weather, massage the tube between your fingers to soften the balm for easier flow. The next item is also something where I think I've had something from this brand. I think I've had their conditioner, if I'm remembering correctly. But this is from Bali Balm. It's the solid day cream. So it is a solid bar version of day cream. So here's the packaging. Let's take a look at it. And as promised, it is a solid bar. So I've never done an actual like product that doesn't get washed out in bar form. So that's very interesting. And there is a little flower on the front that makes me a little bit nervous. I'm going to read the ingredients, and also it looks like I have to charge my battery, so I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I have no idea if this is focused in the same amount as it was in the previous clips, but let's just go for it. So, I did get a chance to look at the ingredients. There is a flower oil as the last ingredient in here. It is Helichrysum italicum flower oil. Now, I did a little research online since I had the time, since my battery had to charge, and what I could find is that it is lightly fragrant. It's kind of woodsy, but it said that it helps with blemishes and scars. I don't know. It is the last ingredient. I might give this a try before I completely throw out the thought of using it, but we'll see. When I smell it, I do not get a fragrance other than cocoa butter, but like that just has a strong smell to it. I don't know. I'm on the fence with this product. I'm not sure if I'm going to use it or not. I like the idea, but I don't like when things have fragrant components. That's just that. That's never going to change for the face anyway, unless of course it's a wash. And so did I read you guys the description of that? I don't think I did. So that is a $27 item. Handmade in France with premium ethically sourced ingredients with 100% compostable and recyclable packaging. Protect and regenerate your skin while respecting the environment. Glide over face and allowing the warmth of your skin to melt the bar or blow onto the bar to aid in the melting. Use fingers to gently massage the product into your skin until fully absorbed. And reading that actually brought to mind another thought. How hygienic could this be if you're constantly rubbing it over your face, which even if you wash, there's no way to guarantee you get all of the day's whatever bacteria, goop, gop, whatever off of your face, and then you rub it on your face. So you could be transferring anything onto there, which I don't love, and there's really no way to store it tight. And then to blow on it sounds like a terrible idea because obviously there's all kind of bacteria in your mouth. So yeah, I think I'm going to pass this on. I love this form factor for washes like shampoo and conditioner and even like a face wash. I think this is a cool idea. Body wash. I don't love it for products that actually go and stay on your face. So I'm going to pass this on. The last item we have here in the box is from 21 Drops. It's their their de-stress oil, essential oil rollerball. So I guess this is the kind of thing you would put on your wrists at night before bed, just for a little bit of aromatherapy. So let's go ahead and read about that. So it is a $16 value, antioxidant rich and featuring key essential oils like frankincense for quieting the mind and ylang ylang to soothe nerves. This organic therapeutic roller is perfect to complete your full facial experience. No, do not put this ball full of essential oils on your face. Or keep in your bag for daily use or before you go to bed. Yes, I would say use it on your wrists before you go to bed. Apply as needed in circular motion to the temples, wrists, collarbone, or front of the neck. Inhale and relax. So I would say wrists, maybe collarbone, maybe the neck. I would avoid the temples, just because I don't know about you guys, but I have had some wicked pimples on here in the past, and that is not a great place to mess around because they hurt when they're there. So that's just my 2 cents. But overall, I would definitely use this. I like putting on a little bit of essential oils on the wrist at night just for an aromatherapy type of treatment. And I think that this is going to be nice. I don't know that this little rollerball would be a $16 value in my mind. That seems outlandish, but I didn't say I'd repurchase it. I just said I'm going to use it. So 1 product I'm going to use, 2 products I'm going to use, 3 products I'm going to use, and 1 I'm going to give away to a friend. I'd say it's not a bad box. We did all right. Am I super excited for it? I'm like 50% super excited for it and 75% I will use it. So yeah, it's a good box. I'm not mad about it. So I hope you enjoyed this video unboxing the Vegancuts subscription for 2021, and if you enjoyed it, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button, and otherwise I'll talk to you all later. Bye!